I'm Sophie Allen, and I'm a 9th grade student at Dreyfoos School of the Arts, and I'm a part of Junior Friends of MacArthur Beach State Park. And Junior Friends is a group of 6th through 12th grade students that meet for monthly services. And one of the services that we did was citizen science dune restoration of sea oats. And what we did was we harvested the sea oats and separated the seeds from the spikelets. And then we put them in 3 different types of soils. 100% potting soil, 100% sand, and 50% potting soil and 50% sand. We monitored their growth over a period of 4 months. And we found out that the tall sea oats grew in 100% potting soil, obviously because they have the most nutrients. But we found out the most consistent growth was the 50% potting soil and 50% sand mixture. We then replanted these sea oats back to the dunes, and these sea oats are important because they keep the natural shape of these dunes, and it traps and holds sand blown by the wind, and this results in dune formations and erosion control. So it was a really fun citizen science project to do with these groups of students.
Thanks, awesome.
The seeds in the potting field do make plants grow a lot taller, but not necessarily grow very consistently. So the 50% potting soil, 50% sand, they grow very consistently over 4 months. So like a certain, they almost grow equally every month.
In terms of height?
Yeah. And where the potting soil, they grew very, very tall in a very, very short amount of time.
Lots of nutrients. I
Yeah.
must have liked that.
Yeah. So when they grew to 6 to 8 inches, we replanted them back in the beaches, and we now still monitor their growth.
How'd they do?
They did very well, actually.
Did they?
Yeah.
Was there any difference in survival between the three?
I mean, but they did grow very well. I mean, there was some in each group that died, obviously, but they grew very well.
That's great. That's a good idea. Because in California we did the wrong thing and we used what do they call it? Ice plants,
Yeah.
which is an invasive species. And so now we're trying to kill all that. And it's really hard to kill because it's really good at what it does, which is grow like a weed. So this is great. How hard was it to separate the seeds from the spike?
Not that hard. It's just
Oh, good. And who came up with the idea?
our director of education.
Oh, okay.
So Veronica Frem. She was, I believe it was her first year, and we realized, these sea oats are very, very important. We should do something to restore what we had, and we have that, but not a lot of it.
Right.
So that's why we started this.
What a great idea. So is it going to keep going every year?
Yeah, we just are continuing it, but now we know. Notice.
Good. So once they're planted, do you go out and fertilize them or water them or do anything?
We just monitor their growth.
Okay.
Because we just want almost nature.
Let it do naturally, whatever survives.
Yep.
Very nice. Well done.
Thank you.